Showing your workings, find two square roots of complex number 1 minus 2 root 6 iota. I need to find the square root of this. So I'll equate this with 1 plus b iota. I will square both sides. This will become 1 minus 2 root 6 iota. A square plus 2ab iota minus b square. I hope everyone remembers that. A square minus b square is 1. 2ab iota is minus 2 root 6 iota. Iota iota cancels off. 2 cancels off. AB is minus root 6. So A is minus root 6 upon B. Let's substitute it here. Minus root 6 upon B. The whole thing square. Minus B square is 1. 6 upon B square minus B square is 1. 6 minus B power 4 upon B square is 1. 6 minus B power 4 is B square. B power 4 plus B square minus 6 is 0. Let B square be x. So x square plus x minus 6 is 0. X square minus 3x. X square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is 0. X plus 3 minus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 2 x plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equals to 2 and x is equal to minus 3. B square is equal to 2 and B square is equal to minus 3. B is under root of 2 and B is under root of minus 3. ये reject हो जाएगा because A and B have to be real numbers. So B is under root 2. अगर B under root 2 है तो A क्या हो जाएगा? A is minus root 6 upon under root 2. A is under root 6 divided by under root 2 is, can I write it like this? Under root 2 into under root 3 upon under root 2. This cancels off. A is minus root 3. अच्छा, क्योंकि ये अंडर रूट है तो ये प्लस माइनस होता है. अग्री. तो जब मैंने प्लस डाला तो ये आ गया, और जब मैं a माइनस रूट 6 अपॉन माइनस रूट 2 डालूंगा, सो दिस इज माइनस रूट 2 इंटू रूट 3 अपॉन माइनस रूट 2. दिस कैंसल्स ऑफ. a is root 3. So a plus b iota is under root 3 minus under root 2 iota plus minus. I hope I am clear. So these are the two square roots. Then the question says, on a sketch of an Argand diagram, shade the region whose points represent the complex number z which satisfy one, two, three, four, five, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So this is z minus 3 iota. This is 3 and 2, which means 2 ऊपर, 2 नीचे, 2 right and 2 left. The locus of points is a circle. Center 3 iota, radius 2. Find the greatest value of argument of z. So greatest value of argument of z is this. So to find this, we realize that up till here this is pi by 2. I hope everyone is following me. जहाँ पे रेडियस और टैंजेंट मिलते हैं वहाँ 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनता है. आई होप एवरीवन इज फॉलोइंग मी. दिस radius is 2. I hope everyone is following me. And this is 3. So this angle is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is 2 upon 3. Theta is sine inverse of 2 upon 3, which is 0.7297 plus pi by 2. So the greatest argument is plus pi by 2 which is 2.301. I hope I am clear. I hope सबको समझ में आ गया. So this is question number 32. Then question number 33 is the next problem. Find the roots of the equation z square plus 2 root 3z plus 4 is equal to 0. Please realize करिए, all the coefficients are real. जिसके साथ कुछ नहीं होता उसके साथ 1 होता है. All the coefficients are real, which means that the two roots obtained will be conjugates of each other. So let's solve it. Minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus 2 root 3 plus minus 2 root 3 the whole thing square minus 4. A is 1, c is 4 upon 2 into 1 minus 2 root 3 plus minus 12 minus 16 upon 2 minus 2 root 3 plus minus minus 4 upon 2 minus 2 root 3 plus minus 2 iota upon 2 minus root 3 plus minus iota is the answer. उसके बाद state the modulus and argument of each root. Minus root 3 plus iota minus root 3 minus iota. Modulus will be under root of minus root 3 the whole thing square plus 1 the whole thing square minus root 3 the whole thing square plus 1 the whole thing square. So this is 3 plus 1 4. So under root of 4 is 2. So modulus is 2. Argument निकालना है. tan inverse of 1 upon minus root 3, लेकिन फिलहाल 1 upon root 3. tan inverse of 1 upon root 3. So tan inverse of 1 upon root 3 is pi by 6. दोनों का आर्गन डायग्राम बनाएं और फिर फैसला करें. माइनस रूट 3 प्लस आयोटा इज दिस. सो दिस इज पाई बाय 6. पाई माइनस पाई बाय 6 is 5 pi by 6 and this is minus root 3 minus iota. Here this is pi by 6. I hope सब follow कर रहे हैं. And this is the answer, minus pi minus pi by 6 minus 5 pi by 6. I hope सबको समझ में आ रहा है. उसके बाद बोला है show all your workings. Verify each root also satisfies z power 6 is minus 64. अब आप नोट करें z पावर 6 is minus 64 का मतलब है कि दोनों के जो मॉडुलस आए वो 2 आए. यस और नो? दोनों के मॉडुलस 2 आए तो 2 की पावर 6 इज 64. माइनस 64 इसलिए कि इफ़ यू नोट दोनों नेगेटिव साइड पर हैं. दोनों का जो रियल कंपोनेंट है वो नेगेटिव है. तो अगर इस माइनस रूट 3 आयोटा को -√3 प्लस आयोटा को -√3 प्लस आयोटा का स्क्वायर निकालूं, फिर जो आंसर आए उसका स्क्वायर निकालूं, और फिर जो आंसर आएगा उसका स्क्वायर निकालूंगा, तो आंसर -64 बन जाएगा। आई होप आई एम क्लियर। In question number 39, the question states that the complex number u is denoted by 2 plus 2 iota. Find the modulus, that is 2 square plus 2 square. 4 plus 4, that is under root of 8, which is 2 root 2. Argument, tan inverse of 2 upon 2, that is pi by 4. I hope सब follow कर रहे हैं. So this is 2 plus 2 iota, so this is pi by 4. So this is it, मॉडुलस और आर्ग्यूमेंट आ गया. उसके बाद sketch an argon diagram showing the points representing 1 iota and u. 1 iota and u. -1 -1 -2 -1 +1. So 1, this is 2. So we need to represent the complex numbers 1 iota, 1 iota and u. U is 2 plus 2 iota. 2 plus 2 iota u. ठीक है जी. Shade the region whose points represent the complex number z which satisfy both the inequalities. Z minus 1, z minus iota. Z minus 1, z minus iota. इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर बनाना है. इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर will be something like this. इसका परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. ठीक है जी. एंड z माइनस 1 इज लेस और इक्वल्स टू z माइनस आयोटा, यानी इट इज क्लोजर टू 1, यानी इस वाले रीजन में होगा. ठीक है. दूसरा z माइनस u इज 1. z माइनस u इज 1, ये u है. सो रेडियस 1 है. So the locus of points is a circle, something like this. Up, it is less or equals to 1. So this is the shaded region inside the circle and closer to 1. 1 के करीब है और inside the circle है. This is the shaded region. I hope this is clear. Then using your diagram, calculate modulus z, which is least, for which argument of z is least. Using your diagram, calculate modulus z for the point in this region for which argument of z is least. Argument of z is least here. I will be doing part 2 again so that there is no problem. So part 1 was to find the modulus and argument of u, which we did. The second part was sketch an argon diagram showing the complex numbers 1 iota and u. One, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4, 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3. So 1 iota u, that is 2 plus 2 iota. I hope everyone is following me. So the two things are, two loci are z minus 1. Z minus 1 is less or equal to z minus iota, and z minus u is equals to, is less or equals to 1. So the locus of points is a perpendicular bisector joining 1 and iota. So this is the loci. I hope everyone is following me. The second is z minus u is less or equals to 1. The locus of points is a circle, center u, radius 1. So less or equals to 1 means we need it on this side, 1 वाली side पे चाहिए, and z minus u is less or equal to 1 is a circle. So these are the two conditions being satisfied. Then the question says, use your diagram to calculate the value of modulus z for the point in the region where argument of z is least. Argument of z is least. The argument of z is least here. I hope everyone is following me. So let's find out the point where the radius and tangent intersects makes a 90-degree angle. I hope everyone is following me. And we have already found the modulus of this as 2 root 2. So this is 2 root 2 and this radius is 2. I hope everyone is following me. The radius is 2 and you need to find the smallest, least possible argument. So least possible argument, use your diagram, calculate the value of modulus of z for the point in the region for which argument of z is least. Argument of z is least. Argument of z is least here, and let's try to find out hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square and the radius is 1. I'm sorry, this radius is 1. This is 2 square and 2 8 is b square plus 1. b square is 8 minus 1. b is under root of 7. I hope I am clear. This is under root 7. आपसे बोल रहा है कि मॉडुलस बताएं यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का, उस पॉइंट तक का जहाँ पे आपका आर्ग्यूमेंट लीस्ट है. आर्ग्यूमेंट लीस्ट इस वाली लाइन पर है और आपने इस लाइन तक का मॉडुलस बताना था, दैट इज मॉडुलस 7. आई होप आई एम क्लियर. आई होप सबको समझ में आ रहा है. Show by shading on separate sketches of an argon diagram the region whose points represent the complex number z which satisfy the following. So first is the argument of z lies between pi by 6 and pi by 2. So this is the half line. This is pi by 6. This is pi by 2. So this is the required region. I hope everyone is following me. This is part A. In part B, argument of z minus iota. Z minus iota means we'll begin with iota. This is, let's say, iota, and 0. 0 is this, and pi by 3. pi by 3 is this. So between 0 and pi by 3, this is the shaded region. I hope I am clear. Then in part C, it says argument of z minus 2. Z minus 2 means it will begin from 2 and pi by 4 and 2 pi by 3. Pi by 4 is here and 2 pi by 3 is somewhere here. So this is pi by 4. This is 2 pi by 3 and this is the shaded region. I hope everyone is following me. D is z minus 5 plus 3 iota lies between minus pi by 3 and pi by 2. So 5 plus 3 iota. This is 5, this is 3. So 5 plus 3 iota minus pi by 3 minus pi by 3 and pi by 2. Pi by 2 is this. So this is the required region. I hope everyone is following me. I hope सबको clear है 67. Then question number 69. Sketch in a diagram the region described by z minus 2 is less or equals to 2. One, 2, 3 and 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. z minus 2 मतलब 2 is less or equal to 2 means 1, 2, 3 and 4. The locus of points is a circle, center origin. This is a circle less or equal to 2 इसके अंदर and minus pi by 6 से लेकर pi by 6 तक. Minus pi by 6 is here, pi by 6 is here. So the locus of points is this region. Within these two, pi by 6 and minus pi by 6, ये pi by 6, ये minus pi by 6 और इस सर्कल के अंदर. I hope this is clear.